In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check sales by product category fast and easy. This guide will help you navigate through your WordPress site's analytical tools to understand your sales data better and gain insights into how different product categories are performing. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard screen. The dashboard is your central hub, where you can manage your site and access a range of tools and features. Make sure you're comfortable navigating this area, as it's the starting point for accessing your analytics data. Next, we'll move on to locate the analytics section. This will often be found on the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Click on Analytics. This is where your site's data is collected and displayed in various forms, allowing you to get detailed insights into how your site is performing across different metrics. After you have accessed the Analytics section, you need to locate and click on Categories. This will take you to a section dedicated to analyzing your sales data based on product categories. This is a powerful tool because it breaks down your sales figures into distinct categories, helping you understand which products are driving your sales and which might need a little extra attention. Now, it's important to set your date range correctly to ensure you're viewing the most relevant data. You can do this by clicking on the Date Range option. Here you can set your parameters to view data from a specific period, whether it's the past week, month, or any custom range that suits your needs. This feature allows you to compare different time frames to see trends and shifts in your sales performance. Once your date range is set, take a moment to review your category sales data. The data displayed will give you a comprehensive overview of how each category is performing. Spend some time analyzing this information to identify any significant trends or areas for growth. If you're interested in diving even deeper, click on All Categories and select a specific category to focus on. This allows you to hone in on detailed information about individual product lines, helping you make more informed decisions about stock, promotions, or marketing focus. Finally, if you need a hard copy or prefer to work offline, you can export this data. Look for the Export button located at the top right of your screen. Clicking this will download your report as a CSV file, which you can then open in a spreadsheet program for further analysis or presentation. And there you have it. A simple, quick method to check your sales by product category right from your WordPress dashboard. Use these steps as a routine part of managing your site to help optimize sales strategies and improve overall performance. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.